Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a mid-Oregon mini hog. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell us, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often. This is a mid-Oregon mini hog. It is in excellent plus condition. If you're looking for one of these, you're going to notice that this one is really clean, and it is sporting its factory paint, so this has not been re-popped. 30 horsepower main motor, 1 horsepower on the in-feed conveyor. This can be in-feed conveyor fed, or you can choose to use the drop chute. This basically is a drop chute, and it simply fits right over the top. We also do have the cover. We simply have the cover off so you can see the simple rotor and anvil design on this machine. It's a really simple design. It means no knife sharpening and virtually maintenance-free operation. Right here you do have your chip chute. It's going to simply bolt on right here. You do have your full controls. You have dual start-stop stations, one for the in-feed conveyor, one for the main motor, forward reverse for the conveyor, and you do have your 2 starters. And again, if you take a look, you can tell that this machine has been small shop owned. It's just in excellent condition. In-feed wheels are again in excellent condition. I mean, is used sparingly in a small shop. There's your in-feed motor and gearbox. And here's another side of the coupling and that 30 horsepower US motors. 30 horsepower. And we are going to turn it on real fast. I also forgot to add that this in-feed conveyor is basically 8 inches wide and 7.5 feet long. Again, this machine is in excellent condition, smooth running. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.